the Northern Blue Solo Loop from Apple, one of Apple's newest bands for winter. It's $49 and is available in all sizes and Apple Watch generations. Today's a quick unboxing and initial impressions, also showing a few matching watch faces with it. I'm also unboxing the new Plum and Kumquat Solo Loop. Let me know which one you want me to do my signature full reviews and styling. Give this a like if it helps and subscribe for more. Let's unbox. Apple's had so many watch bands this season, I'm not surprised they had more waiting to come out. This is the first of 3 I'm opening and I'm loving it. It's the stretchiest thing I've ever owned and it's like a fresh new color I haven't seen in a while from Apple. To assemble, slide in both ends. Then just put it on like a rubber band by sliding your hand through. So easy. It's like a sky blue with a tad hint of turquoise. It's way better in person. I know the name's probably referring to the icy northern parts of the globe, but looking at this reminds me of clean, fresh air. Like all of Apple's Solo Loops, it runs one size big. Go one size down from what they recommend on their online sizing tool. Like I got a size 3 instead of their recommended size 4. Here's how it looks in warm lighting. Here's a few matching watch faces. Can't wait to play with it more and find more nice pairings. This is what makes it feel like a different watch. So far I know I'll enjoy this. I definitely prefer solo loops over sport bands. Which ones do you like better? Also let me know if you want a full review for this or any of the other 2 new colors. Check out my channel for examples. Hopefully this helped. If so, give it a like and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching.